Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at a word that is famous in courtroom dramas and crime shows, but we actually use it in normal, everyday conversation all the time.
A courtroom drama? Okay, I'm intrigued. What is the word today?
The word is verdict.
Verdict. Yes, anyone who watches police shows on TV has definitely heard this word before.
Absolutely. For our English learners, the official meaning of verdict is a formal decision or judgment made in a court of law. It is the final answer at the very end of a trial.
Exactly. When the jury comes back into the room after listening to all the evidence, the judge will ask them, "Have you reached a verdict?" And they will say guilty or not guilty. That final decision is the verdict.
But here is the secret for English learners. You do not need a judge or a jury to use this word. We use it in normal life whenever we are waiting for a final opinion about something.
That is so true. Give us a real scenario. How do we use it in everyday life?
Let's say a brand new, very expensive restaurant just opened in your city. Everyone is talking about it. You and your friends finally get a table and eat a huge meal there.
Oh, I love the scenario already.
The next day at work, your coworkers will ask you, "So, what's the verdict?" They're asking for your final judgment. Is the restaurant actually good, or is it a waste of money?
Right, and you could answer, the verdict is, it's completely overpriced. Don't go. You are giving your final official opinion after testing it out.
You will also hear it at work when people are testing out new tools or ideas.
Yes, imagine your company's trying out a brand new software program for a week. Everyone is testing it, clicking around, finding problems. At the end of the week, the boss calls a team meeting.
And the boss looks at everyone and says, "Okay, team, what's the verdict? Do we buy this software or do we delete it?"
I love using it like that. It takes your everyday opinion and makes it sound very official and important.
Exactly. A verdict is never just a quick random guess. It is a decision you make only after you have looked at the facts, tasted the food, or tried the experience.
It is the final answer after all the testing is done.
Curiously, your homework for today, think about a new movie you watched recently, or maybe a new food you tried for the first time. What was your verdict? Practice stating your final opinion out loud in English.
Giving a clear, confident opinion is a great way to build your speaking skills.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Give us your verdict. See you next time on Mady English Practice.